in 1 week got 3 months worth of work done.
You saved us a lot.
Like, it's perfect. Like, you know
The
everything.
session was extremely valuable.
You have the guidance.
You're happier.
The
Like,
information is like worth paying for.
Keep doing what you're doing.
In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can have your own personal video editor inside of Claude Code. Whether you are a business owner who needs marketing done, whether you are somebody who's making YouTube or other types of social media content, no matter what your purpose is or your need is for video editing to be done and animations to be done, this video is going to solve it for you, so that way you save thousands and thousands of dollars every single month on a video editor by utilizing Claude Code and a couple different GitHub repos that I am going to show you. So do not go anywhere. You are not going to want to miss this. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Andrew. I am running currently 8 AI agents across 2 different businesses, both of which are 7-figure companies. And I have logged in over 1,000+ hours building inside of OpenClaw and Hermes combined at this point. And I have scaled my agency to over 5 figures per month without hiring a single human employee. Now, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's go ahead and get right into my screen, so you could see exactly how this works. Okay, so I have come here and I have obviously been utilizing Claude Code very, very heavily. Now, with that being said, I have gone in here and really been utilizing it a lot. I think that probably the last 6 or so videos that I have uploaded on this channel have been edited with Claude Code. And you guys are probably wondering, what am I actually utilizing and how does this actually work? Well, I'm going to show you that right here. So, first things first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull up the prompt so you can go ahead and see exactly how I've been doing this. So I'm gonna come here, I'm going to show you the prompt, and you can see it here. And I'm gonna have this down in the description for you, so you can literally just utilize this prompt, plug it into Claude Code, take it verbatim, and you will be able to literally have exactly what I have here, okay? Now, I'm not gonna go over the prompt, but I'm essentially letting it know what it needs to do, what we're gonna be utilizing, and why. So first things first, I'm just gonna go over what GitHub repos I'm having you install. Now, obviously, I have these installed on mine, and I've done this for 2 different clients now, and this has been game changer not only for me, but for them as well. One of them owns a business, and the other one is doing this for podcast purposes, right? So one of them's using it for their business for marketing purposes and to push a lot of content out for the business. Long story short, we are gonna be using video use, which is essentially going to be the skill that allows Claude Code to utilize it to cut and chop your video up, to essentially make it to where all it needs left is all of the animations, okay? And then Hyperframes is essentially a better version of Remotion. For those of you who don't know what Remotion is, Remotion was essentially the first version of a video editor that could add a ton of animation and graphical enhancements to your videos. But Hyperframes, in my opinion, does it 10 times better. So that is what we're going to be utilizing, and that is what I'm utilizing here. Now, I want to make this very clear and simply stating that, listen, at the end of the day, when you first start working with this, as I've told my previous clients as well, that when it really comes down to it, you guys need to understand that this is something that is going to take some time to master. Okay, there's going to be a lot of iteration, as I always explain in the live streams, as I also always explain in any other video where I'm showing you guys exactly how I utilize a workflow or built a workflow to get the output that I desire. Now, with this video, I've done this enough, probably 6 to 10 times now, where all I'm going to do after I record this is I'm going to give it the raw file, and I'm literally going to say, go ahead and edit the video. It knows the style I like, it knows how I like the videos cut, it knows everything, okay? And the last video that I uploaded last Friday, that video, again, if you go back and watch it, if you're new to the channel, that video was completely edited with Claude Code. I no longer have to go through this and do this myself. Now, I never hired a video editor for this channel, but I've used to run other channels where I did have to hire a video editor. This is gonna easily save you $500 a minimum per month, depending on how much content you're uploading. Now, if we're gonna go something where on the heavier side, you're probably gonna be saving over $1,000. So this is something that's gonna save you an extensive amount of money. Now, I also wanna state really, really quick that I do go live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Actually, also, that's when videos get uploaded at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, but I also do go live Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you should definitely tune in there where you can see me doing workflows like this and building out other workflows so you can see exactly how I'm doing it, the thought process I have behind it, and how I iterate upon the process. You can also watch the past broadcasts. Now, the last thing I do want to state here really quick is if you are getting value from this video, you should subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you're notified whenever I do upload a video or go live on the channel. On top of that, follow me down on Twitter or X. The link is down in the description below. And if you're interested in joining the Telegram channel that I have started, it is completely free. It does not cost anything to get in. And I usually go live in Telegram, usually once a week, in order for me to just connect with you guys and essentially get some help on what you guys would want to see, some feedback. And then lastly, but not least, just answer any questions and provide a level of guidance that, you know, a lot of people would want. So I do that inside of there as well. So feel free to join. With that being said, I do want to state that when it really comes down to it, this has been game changer for me. This has been absolutely game changer for me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of show you how this looks, right? So I'm going to come here, and this is going to be where we start, and you will see, and I also created my intro with this as well, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly where I started this, okay? So you can see here, this is where I started a video. This was the last video that I shot that actually got uploaded last Friday, okay? Now this one says here, I give it the title of the video, and I said this is the raw file, and I've attached your version of the script, so that way it has the script of the video, or at least the outline of the video, so that way it knows where to pull things. And please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so then I've gone ahead and I went through all this. Now I do want to state something else before I get into the rest of this. The main thing here is that you are going to do this, and you are going to install this and run this on Claude Code, but you're also going to need to have an 11 Labs API key. Now, in order to get that, it's very easy. It's extremely simple to do, and it's free. Well, actually, I apologize. It isn't free. It's going to cost you like $5.99 a month. So you're going to get the $5.99 subscription, and then you're going to go ahead and get the API key. If you don't know how to do that, ask your AI agent, whether you're using OpenClaw or Hermes, utilize your agent and ask it how to get that for you. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you to put it inside of an env file. The main thing you're going to want to do there is you're going to want to ask Claude Code to give you the command to put into your terminal to open up the env file that you will need in order to paste your 11 Labs API key into. Once that is done and you pasted it in, you can close out of that little file, and then you're good to go, okay? And then you're good to start editing the videos. Now, I do want to state a couple other things here that are very important when you are going to be utilizing this. First, you're going to need to understand that you are going to have multiple iterations, and you're going to need to give it some sort of basis as to what type of animations you actually want on your videos. Okay, so for me personally, I've given it a lot of examples of the type of animations and the style that I like, the color codes that I like, how I do everything, right? And with Claude Code, it's great because when it comes down to it, this is essentially, it's got a memory, right? It has a memory, and it has the ability to remember what you like and what you don't like. And so what you can do is when you are going through the iteration process, you can easily tell Claude Code, hey, I don't like when you do it this way. Please make sure that this doesn't happen again. Or I like when you do this. Please make sure that you continuously do this, right? Treat it like an agent, because it's essentially how I treat this chat, this video editor chat, and it works. So with that being said, I wanted to make sure that you're aware that when it comes down to it, you're going to need to give it a style. You're going to need to explain it or give it screenshots, okay? And if you're going to explain the style you like, you need to be very articulate with the style. You need to make sure that the agent understands that when it comes down to it, this is exactly how I want this. I want it to be this type of theme with this type of color scheme, with this type of font, with this and this. So you want to make sure that you let it know exactly what you're looking for. And if you're like me and you can articulate yourself very well, but you have a hard time doing it when it comes to a creative sense like I do, then I go ahead and I go and find screenshots of styles and themes and things that I like that I would like it to utilize when it comes to the animation side. Now, I also want to give you some context as the reason why you're going to need an 11 Labs API key is because what is going to happen is once you give it the raw file, okay, what's going to happen is that the video is going to get edited with video use. And when it does that, it's also going to create a transcript of the final cut version of the video when it's ready to get into the animation side of the spectrum. And once you do that part and you get to the animation side, it is going to go ahead and Claude Code will give the Hyperframes plugin the transcript of the cut version of the video. That way it can align all of the animations exactly when you are talking. So that way it knows to pop in and pop out animations based on your wording that is actually shown in the transcript and inside of the overall script of your video, okay? So I want to make that clear, as that's why you're utilizing 11 Labs API, okay? I've covered pretty much all of this. I was using Fable 5, but at the time of recording this video, unfortunately, Anthropic has shut that down due to the government. So I utilize Opus 4.8, and I utilized it on high mode, but if you wanted to utilize it on, let's say, max, you definitely can. Obviously, you're gonna have usage and it's gonna spike your usage. So for me, I only use Claude Code for this purpose and to design my thumbnails. So in all reality, I'll run this on max because at the end of the day, I have no other use for Claude Code and I can afford to do that. So if it was on Fable 5 though, I would have it Fable 5 on max as well. And again, that's because I'm not utilizing Claude for anything else. So I have maximum usage and I am on the max $200 a month plan. You come in here and all you have to do is this, right? Give it the file, the raw file, and you need to connect it, obviously connect it to all of the different folders that you're gonna want to have it pull from. And also I have it set up so that way, and you could tell it this, because again, it's got memory. I tell it, okay, I have this edited final version folder. I've connected it to Claude Code for you. I want you to put the edited final version in there. The reason being is because it sometimes will put it in random folders. And when it does that, it's really annoying to have to go and find it. Okay, it's very annoying. So that's how I like to do things, just to give you guys an insight there. So anyways, it'll go ahead and do this. It'll take care of all of this stuff. And then it will ask me a couple different questions because I had a new thing that I really wanted to implement and put into the file. So it asked me a couple different questions. Okay. And then it comes in here and it just runs everything, right? As you can see, I was using Fable 5 at the time of doing this. And so it pretty much comes through and it literally goes ahead and changes and edits the whole video for me, right? And then I come here and I give it a lot of feedback, and I'm still giving it a lot of feedback, okay? I want you to understand that this process is still something that now, based on this last one, I'm probably gonna be able to one-shot these video edits. If not, it's gonna be very minimal. And the reason why this one had a lot of changes is because I did make some changes to the editing. I did make changes because I added an intro to the videos, I added certain things in the videos. So with that being said, that's why I did that. Now, again, I just want to state here very clearly, if you guys are interested in having me set something like this up for you, then you can go ahead and click the link down in the description below. It is the first link in the description. You can click on that and book a call with me. It's going to have you fill out a couple quick questions. And if you are a good fit, it will have you go ahead and book a call. Now, that is to have your Hermes and or OpenClaw agents set up for you on your Mac Mini or whatever computer. If you want a done with you or done for you agent workflow build out, I have a couple clients who are doing that with me currently. And or if you are interested in just having a consultation call, having me oversee your workflow and give you some guidance as to what I would do. Again, I've spent well over 1,000 hours inside of OpenClaw Hermes, and I've just built a ton of different workflows, and I've just been doing this every single day since March. So I have a lot of experience here. By no means am I a complete expert, but I have a lot of experience and I've helped a lot of people at this point. Now, as you can see here, I came here and I gave it a lot of guidance, a lot of feedback. Now I'm using WhisperFlow, so I'm not typing all of this out, right? But this is the type of guidance that I'm giving it, right? So the first thing we have to fix is this, and this. You guys could just pause this video and see, right? I'm giving it a bunch of guidance as to what it needs to fix, okay? Now, also, when it comes down to it, you could see things like this where I say here, right? This is going to apply for every testimonial you do with the pop-ups. That means you need to go find all the other testimonials where this happens in the video and then fix this. This should never happen again either. Now it's fixed everything. And after I gave it this very long correctional prompt, it took a while to get it done, but it did get it all done. And as you can see here, this was my final one. Okay, so if you're very descriptive like this, like don't be shortcutting your changes you need to do, okay? When you are this descriptive and you are doing this much to it, okay, in making those type of iterations, as you can see, when it gave me the next version of it, the second draft, I said, literally all you have to do is you've just cut out the intro where I say I put in over 1,000 hours, etc., etc. Every other aspect of this video is perfect. Don't touch anything else, right? It did everything perfect. I just needed to fix that one thing. And then after this, it was done. So I want to let you guys know, right? Like, this is super, super, super helpful. This is going to save you an extensive amount of time because while it was getting edited, while my video was getting edited, I was getting to work on other things, right? I was working on other stuff with my Hermes agent. So I didn't have to sit here and do all the editing. This would have taken me an easy 30-ish minutes to do, and that's just cutting the video, right? When I was making these videos before I used Claude Code to edit, it was taking me probably 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the length of the video, in order for me to come in here and actually edit it. Now I gained that time back. My videos are extensively better, and when it comes to the editing. And I now have animations that I don't have to actually pay for from a video editor that costs more than $200. To edit one of my videos is going to cost me more than my Claude subscription. So it saves me an extensive amount of time, and it's saving me a disproportionate amount of money. And again, this is super important if you are a content creator, and especially if you own a business who is wanting to either run ads, run organic content, and market your business. This is game changer because this can not only do YouTube videos, okay? This is also editing the shorts that I'm gonna have, that I'm gonna go out on YouTube, that I'm gonna have go out on Instagram, that I'm gonna have go out on TikTok. It then feeds all this information to my Hermes agent, who then creates tweets and then creates LinkedIn posts. So this is the forefront and foundation of my content distribution department of my personal brand. Okay. And that's how powerful this is. And you could take that and utilize it in a business for anything you need marketing wise. I'm telling you, the possibilities with this are absolutely endless. And I've had two clients who I've set this up for, and now they one of them saves over an hour easily editing his podcasts. The other one is saving hundreds of hours when it comes to editing his marketing content that he needs for his business. So I'm telling you guys, take full advantage of this. This is absolutely insane what is capable now with AI. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button if you guys did find value, and go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you're notified whenever I go live. Let me know what you would use this for in the comment section below. What are you using for? Your business purposes, etc., etc. Keep me updated in the comment section. I am always responsive there. And on top of that, if you are interested in joining the free Telegram group, click the link down in the description below. If you're interested in following me on Twitter, where I'm very upset and letting it be known to Anthropic that I miss Fable 5, go ahead and give me a follow there. The link is down in the description below for that as well. And if you're interested in having a Hermes and or OpenClaw agent set up for you on your computer, you want done with you or done for you agent workflows built out for you alongside me, or I do it for you, or you're wanting a consultation call with me in order to get some guidance on how you can go about either optimizing and effectively on your workflows, and or you're just wanting to get some guidance on what you're planning on doing prior to you actually starting it so you save a lot of time, then please go ahead and click the link down in the description below. If it's the first one, it will go ahead and have you fill out some questions. That's the same people who have clicked that link that you've seen in the testimonials section. And if you're interested in seeing some testimonials, I do have those as well. The folder for those, or the playlist for those, is up on the top right of the screen and in the description as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.